This year we've been really excited to work on a big interdisciplinary project that mounts a sculptural installation at Woodbine Beach in Toronto as part of Winterstations. Winterstations is an international competition that populates the beach in wintertime in a circumstance when normally the beach would be vacant.
Very exciting that one of our projects could be one of the 6 lifeguard stands. It's a very cool opportunity for us. So we've kind of embodied the idea of migrating sun and celestial migration. So we've essentially created a sundial to show the migration throughout the day.
The project is called Shoal, and so basically what we're doing is we're trying to capture the idea of migration through simplifying all entities. So we've kind of just created a code of creation almost, and we're just trying to capture that idea of the push and pull of migration.
The first thing that really came to our minds with migration was migratory patterns of different animals like salmon, fish, birds, and of course butterflies. So we really took the butterfly idea and ran with it.
And they do leave Canada in the wintertime to go somewhere warmer, and so the fact that this whole art installation happens in the winter, there was kind of an interesting tension to show these butterflies still present in Canada at a time when they really shouldn't be, and that contrast on a really cold, snowy beach of this beautiful, vibrant insect. So kind of all came together quite nicely, yeah.